Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this multifunctional magnifier, and so this should be a magnifying light with different abilities to, oops, something fell, to focus and stuff like that. And it looks like here is the charging cable for it because it has a light. It's got USB to USB-C, which is nice. Here's going to be the instructions for it. I'll show you guys a brief. That kind of explains what it is. I'm going to say I know what it is already since I ordered this. And it comes with a little cleaning cloth for the lens and that little bag to store it in. Plastic wrapping. Okay, so this is the device here. And so it has the charging port right over there. I'm going to show you guys here on the side. It's got this little slide out piece here. So this is going to be like a little screwdriver and a little nut driver to access a few common size things. And then we have the device, and so this is it here, and you can see if I push the button it lights up, and then it lights up in, I think it's a black light kind of concept of that one there, and then it's the third one is actually this little flashlight on the end, and then it's off. So you have those 4 different settings, and this one here kind of turns around, so you can set it wherever. So let's just try it on something. So let's just try on the box. So if I go and put my magnifier up to it, let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but there we go. So you can see there it is, magnifying something in there. So you can see the stuff, like there's the words. See, it's not a super clear picture because the thing wasn't. But then if I turn it, it can, kind of zoom and focus a little bit. And then if I push the button, see there, it lights up. Now it almost looks like it's backlit, but it's not. And then there's the little black light. So if I had something, luminescent, it would show up. And then this one here is just the light on the back, so I could shine it on something. Actually, it's pretty bright because it does show up even though I have all these studio lights on. So it's pretty cool. Nice little one here. This is an LED scale loop down and up. So I guess this is going to move the magnifier down and up. Yeah, so I don't know if it's increasing the magnification or if it's just, I think it's just really focusing. It's not changing a huge amount. But wow, it really does zoom it in a lot. So this is great for jewelry, or if you have rings, or you want to look at anything, be good for like looking at the glass. I'm looking at the glass on my watch, and I can see tiny little scratches in it. I don't want to do that anymore. but that's really cool. So I'm going to say this is a really nice little device and going in my pack of stuff that I will be using. So thumbs up.